Welcome to this session about flow and AIM messages. This session will cover how to retrieve and show flow messages and how to retrieve and show AIM messages. We will take a closer look at two types of messages. First of all, the flow messages. One of the tasks of the NM is the air traffic flow and capacity management. The objective here is to optimize air traffic flows according to the air traffic control capacity while enabling airlines to operate safe and efficient flights. Flow regulations are ATFCM measures to deal with a situation as they become known. And we can easily get those in the Jumpstart desktop client. To do this, we go to the Flow tab and we click on Regulations. We can easily get the list here by specifying the time window for which you want the messages, and by hitting the Get Regulations button, the messages are downloaded via the NMB3 web services. You can see here all the messages that are currently active. Now we want to see those on the map, of course, and it can easily be done by just hitting the Show Regulations button. If we now zoom in on the map, we can take a closer look at some of the flow messages. For example, here, by hovering over it, we see that this is the reason here states ATC routings. We have the traffic volume that is impacted. We have several other information that is important for this flow regulation. We can also right click on Get Details on this regulation, and then we see a little bit more detailed information about this specific regulation. I'll close this again. Of course, we can also implement this information in the flight management, so it only shows the flow messages that are relevant for your flight. Now we have a second type of messages. Let's first clear the map. The second type of messages are the AIM messages, or Aeronautical Information Management messages. Now the aim of this aeronautical information service is to ensure the flow of aeronautical information and data necessary for safety, regularity, economy, and efficiency of international air navigation. To ensure this, there are also some messages that are released, and also these messages can easily be downloaded with the Jumpstart desktop client and consulted. To do this, we will go to the General tab and we'll click on the AIM button here. Basically, it follows the same logic as with the flow messages. We click on the Get AIM list, and we now got the list of messages that are available on the pre-ops platform. By clicking on one, let's say this one, and clicking on Detailed, we then see what the message is. This one is about the taxi time at Dublin Airport. We see the validity, we see what this message is about. So this is how we can easily consult the AIM messages. I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you have any further questions, I recommend that you consult one of our websites or email us at swim@eurocontrol.int.